Make a homemade portable stove for emergencies and long-term, using basic materials and following these simple steps. To start, you will need an empty can. Mark where you will make the holes in the pieces of the can using a pen. Use a cutter and a piece of wood to cut the bottom of the can precisely, dividing it in half. Now, with the help of scissors, we will cut the edges of the can as I show you. Then, with the help of tweezers, we flatten the edges, shaping the edges in this way. Now we take a roll of cotton and put some balls inside the bottom of the can. Then we will soak the cotton until it is moist. In this case, I am using medicinal alcohol. Next, we take another can and, in the same way as the previous one, we will cut here. We put the bottom of the can upside down, and we will mark the whole bottom with dots, since that will be where we will make the holes in the stove. Then, with a nail or another punching object, we will make the holes where we had marked, and it should look more or less like this. In this way, we will have both cans ready. At this point, we will only need to put one inside the can. Do it the way I show you. The next step will be to take a piece of pressed wood. These are easily found in the carpentry or hardware store, and we will place 4 screws similar to these. As a last step, we will place a container lid in the center of the piece of wood and light it using alcohol. Then, we will place the can with the holes and the cotton on top. And in this way, our portable stove will be ready. The fire will automatically light up and will provide up to 4 hours of maximum power without going out. It is so easy to have your own home multifunctional kitchen that will accompany you for hours in all your adventures.